girl, Susie. I knew you'd come through. Oh, chin up, girl. The movie was probably the dog anyway. Right, Susie?
Susie gets a lot more affection than I do.
Susie's going into a differential phase.
I never get tired watching her.
Oh, neither do I.
But why Susie?
Very simple. Synchro, unifying, cinemetric, integrating, equitensor. Put them all together and they spell Susie. Well, it won't be long now, Les.
Everything points to the same conclusion. Spectroscopic shift to the violet, plotting coordinates.
Having trouble, Dr. Culver?
I can't figure it out. The interlace in the diode loop went right out of sync for no reason.
I'm sure you will be able to find the difficulty.
Dr. Elliott, we've run on something you'll be interested in.
Input level okay. Feedback negligible. Cathode checks. Susie, speak to me.
Seems like your girlfriend's getting temperamental.
Very interesting, Gaskell. If your assumption turns out to be justified.
It's more than an assumption, Dr. Elliott.
Oh, of course. Pardon the unfortunate choice of word. Oh, and let